Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a affiliate marketing landing page with WordPress and connect it with any email provider of your choice like Mailchimp, Aweber, GetResponse. So to get started, we need domain and hosting. To get domain and hosting, we are going to use Bluehost. Go to bluehost.com, click get started, select 12 months and go for basic. So if you have domain already, you can just use your domain here, but we are going to get a free domain from them. So select 12 months free extra package. We are going to uncheck this, then enter your card details here, then click on submit. After you check out, your domain and hosting will be connected automatically. So the next step we are going to do is install WordPress on your domain. So after you create this account, you can just once you log into your cPanel, search for WordPress, click install, select the domain here, and click on installed. Okay, now we are going to log into our website. Let's go to our website, go to your website domain and slash wp-admin, click enter username and password. So after you install, I'm using this website already, that's why you see all the plugin installed on it. So for you to install this, go to the plugin and click add new. The plugin we are going to use is called Thrive Architect. You have to buy the plugin from this website. You can use my affiliate link in the description below. Just Thrive. Can go to this website, then you can buy the package here. As well, go to plugin, click on add new, go ahead and click on upload, choose file, select the file and click install. Okay, after you install the plugin, click on activate plugin.